The sunny succulent mango has so many health benefits. Let's unpack the incredible advantages this tropical treat offers. Known as the king of fruits, mangoes don't just reign supreme in taste, but also in health benefits. These juicy delights are storehouses of nutrients, each bite offering a cocktail of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. One of the key elements in mangoes is vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens the immune system, keeps our skin youthful, and can even ward off heart diseases. But that's not all. Mangoes are also rich in vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy vision. Ever wondered why your mom insisted on that mango dessert? Perhaps she knew about the vitamin A all along. And let's not forget about the fiber. Yes, mangoes are a great source of dietary fiber, aiding digestion and keeping your gut healthy. Plus, they're low in calories, so you can satisfy your sweet tooth without worrying about the scale tipping over. Mangoes also contain an enzyme called mangiferin. This unique enzyme has been linked to reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, contributing to overall well-being. Moreover, it's also believed to have anti-cancer properties, although more research is needed in this area. But wait, there's more. When it comes to minerals, mangoes have a generous amount of potassium. This helps maintain a healthy balance of fluids in the body and supports heart function. And the bonus? Mangoes are also rich in magnesium, which aids in relaxing muscles and promoting good sleep. In a nutshell, mangoes are a powerhouse of health benefits. They are not just a tasty treat, but also a great addition to your daily diet. Packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, they contribute to a stronger immune system, healthier skin, improved digestion, and even better heart health. The unique enzyme mangiferin adds to its charm, offering potential anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer benefits. Remember that mango comes with a delicious health package waiting to be unwrapped, so add juicy mangoes to your diet.